Hello guys, good morning guys. How are you doing? I hope you are doing well. I'm also doing great. So guys, in this morning I am going to pick Tatiana Aina up because I started the video since yesterday, but we couldn't make the intro of that video yesterday, so I'm trying to go to her site now to go and pick her up because we have some videos we are going to do. So guys, when I reach there I will let you know. For now, bye. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. I am here today with a special person, and guys, let me show you. Here we have
Tatiana Aina.
Yeah. So Tatiana, welcome to Togo.
Thank you.
So guys, we are going to do a lot of videos in Togo with her. So guys, if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to this channel.
Yes. Like,
comment, and share. So guys, let's go and make Togo, let's put Togo on the map. Bye.
Oh, banakuna, nabi ambe banakuna, tiabe banakuna, mambombe banakuna, siyanakune silalunle, tiabe banakuna, ayanakune silalunle, boye banakuna. Oh, banakuna. Nabi ambe banankuna, tiabe banankuna, mambombe banankuna, siyanankune silalunle, tiabe banankuna, ayanankune silalunle, mboye banankuna. Oh, banankuna.
Hello guys, we are at the fish market, like you can see from my background. Here is the fish market, so we'll be going inside now to go and check the fish and see the different type of fish they have here. So guys, let's go.
$12 kilos.
And this one is 10 kilos.
10 kilos. So this one is less than
the other one. They bring fish from the other side, so the place we just passed here, everybody have his own shop. Before it was not like that, they always sell like a big space like this, everybody brings food.
But they're not cool.
Buy one.
Bad.
Look on there.
Solim.
Get it from the men, and then they store it in this big fridge.
Plenty ice block.
This is not it's not powered on. They just have the ice block.
And ice block is even business of other persons here. They just sell
ice block. So we can go around and see.
Yeah, let's go to you must speak French.
Oui, je vais parler un peu français.
voyez, quelque part déjà français. Donc on va faire le tour un peu dans les gammes, voir s'il y a une personne n'est pas venu tout le matin, mais on va essayer juste de voir ce qu'il y a. Et voilà, on y va les gars. That's why you can see Kabe. In the morning, come in the morning, everybody's in the rush, singing, shouting.
So we are going to the street shop.
From here?
Sewing their nets, the nets that they are using it for the fish, okay, when they go to the sea. And I think it's very clean around here. They have their cabin, they have this shield on them, they have people working on the nets, and
so guys, in this place, Speed TV was trying to explain to us what happened last night before this day in this particular place, this market, this fish market. He said the sea level was high a bit and the fishermen went to fish without knowing, so their boat broke. And when they are drying the guys out here, they went to save them. So all of them, with the ones that was inside the water already, they all die because the sea was hitting them on the wall. Like there are some stone there, so the water was, the wave of the sea was trying to take them and kill them. So over 17 people died that particular day. So that is why you can see that the market is actually silent, like it's calm, it's not lively like the way it used to be, because they said that particular day when we went there, no one went to fish.
Fishing. Okay. So you can see them selling some of the fish over there. Oh, they also have fridging on their boat.
With ice block.
With ice block.
Because sometimes they can make 2-3 days.
Okay, so when they catch it, they save it there. So yeah.
Now, fine.